Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to easily create Discord embeds. So embeds are these little things in Discord that you see bots send that usually have a color on the side and a message on them. And they can definitely have way more than just hello, but this is just an example. So this is pretty easy to do, so this won't be a long video. Before we get into it, my Discord is linked in bio. If you need any help or just want to chat, join. So yeah, let's get right into it. So first of all, I'm going to be using a file from the command handler we used in the second video. So if you want to learn how to use a command handler, go watch that video. It will be in the card above right now. If you don't want to, or you're just using a basic command handler though, the code I'll be using will have to go in your if statement inside the if statement. So with the command handler, I'm going to create my command file. I'm going to call it Embed.js module.exports equals name embed description embed a message and then execute. Now so far we've only executed message and args, but this video we will need to execute Discord as well. So we're going to add Discord there, then we're going to go back to our main file, and inside the two executes right here at the try catch, we are going to add Discord. So add these, and now they are passed, and you can use them inside this embed file. So we are going to open this up, and let's get started. So first of all, we're going to create a constant called embed, and you can name it anything else, but this will be for our embed, and it'll be equal to new discord dot message embed, then parentheses. Now we are going to set things on it. So first we're just going to do the basics. So the title, set title, and this will be a string, so I'm just going to say test. Now we're going to set description, which is set description. Sorry for my bad typing. Okay, so this is basically the top bold part of the embed, so it's basically this part of the embed, and then the description will be right below it and it won't be bold. So next we're going to set the color. This takes any color resolvable for Discor.js, so RGB, hex color, stuff like that. It does have a default color, so you don't always have to do this, but it's like gray, so I do recommend setting a color. So I'm just going to set a random RGB. Now let's set the thumbnail, which is a picture at the top right of the embed. So I got this on my profile picture link. I'm gonna put that there. Now we're gonna set the image, and this is a image at the bottom of the embed. So I'm just gonna use the same picture. Now we are going to add fields, which are basically another title and description, but inside of the embed, besides like the main title and description. So add fields, and then you want to do that, and then add brackets, and then we're going to do name. This will be field name. Then you want to add value, field value, and then we're going to add inline, which is boolean, true or false. And I'm going to do true, but it defaults to false if you don't declare it as true. And basically inline means if you do have it on, the fields will go from left to right and then down and left to right, etc. But if you have it to false or just default, then the fields will just go straight down in a line, and the embed will be long. So with add fields, you can add more than one. So you can just add a comma and then do this again, but we're not going to. So now we are going to set author, which is a name and picture at the top left of the embed. So the first thing you will put in is the name. So I'm just going to say read codes. The next thing is the icon URL. So I'm just going to use this link again, and that will be the image at the top left of the embed. And then you want to put the URL, and this is what you don't have to put this, by the way, but if you want to, if you click on the author name at the top left, then it will send you to that link. So that's how you set author. Now we are going to set footer, so set footer, and this takes text and the icon URL. So the first thing is the text and this is at the bottom of the embed. So I'm just going to say footer, and then I'm just going to use this link again for and this is at the bottom left, and then the text is at the right of it, but this is the bottom left icon for the footer. And by the way, the footer and author images are pretty small. So now we are going to set the timestamp, and this we can just leave the function blank and just add the parentheses. And basically what this does is it adds the time that the embed was created / sent in the channel, and it actually adjusts to your time zone with the Discord API, so that's pretty cool. And this goes into the footer. It separates itself from the normal footer text, and it goes to the right of the footer text if you do have footer text. So now that we have the embed, we are going to send it. So message.channel.send embed. So now we are ready. We're going to node dot and start the bot up. Bot is on. If we do exclamation point embed, as you can see, it sends this embed. This is the author name, and as you can see, it shows that little underline, and it sends you to the link. And then we have our author URL. Here's the name of the embed, here's the description, here's the field name, the field value, here's the image, here's the thumbnail, here's the footer icon, here's the footer, here's the timestamp, and then this is the color of the embed. So these were not everything you can do to an embed. I will leave a link to the docs, to the Discor.js docs below that do show you everything you can do, but these were the main things. You probably won't be using any of the other ones, so I didn't show them, but you can go look. And one last tip for the video: in Embeds, you can actually create these things, which are basically just like this author name in Embeds, where you can click on plain text and it will send you to a link. So all we have to do is create these brackets. We put our text inside of this, so I'll just say link, and then without spacing to the right of it, we connect these brackets, or not brackets, parentheses, and inside the parentheses we put our link. So we have that link, and if we restart our bots with Control-C and then no dot, if we do embed again, as you can see, it has this little link that sends us to the link that I added. So that is how you create embeds in Discord with a Discor.js in 2021 now. Happy New Year, by the way. Thank you for all the support on my recent videos. It means a lot. Creative criticism is appreciated. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope it helped you out. With that being said, like if you like, subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. Oh, also, comment down below suggestions, because I can't think of anything lately. And, I am out.